Hello and welcome to another lesson on the Online English Club. In today's lesson we will practice reading and the topic is population growth. Population growth is the change in a population over time and can be quantified as the change in the number of individuals of any species in a population using per unit time for measurement. In biology, the term population growth is likely to refer to any known organism, but this article deals mostly with the application of the term to human populations in demography. Population exceeding the carrying capacity of an area or environment is called overpopulation. It may be caused by growth in population or by reduction in capacity. Spikes in human population can cause problems such as pollution and traffic congestion. These might be resolved or worsened by technological and economic changes. Conversely, such areas may be considered underpopulated if the population is not large enough to maintain an economic system. Between these two extremes sits the notion of the optimum population. Globally, the growth rate of the human population has been declining since peaking in 1962 and 1963 at 2.2% per annum. In 2009, the estimated annual growth rate was 1.1%. The CIA World Factbook gives the world annual birth rate, mortality rate, and growth rate as 1.915%, 0.812%, and 1.092% respectively. The last 100 years have seen a rapid increase in population due to medical advances and massive increase in agricultural productivity made possible by the Green Revolution. The actual annual growth in the number of humans fell from its peak of 88 million in 1989 to a low of 73.9 million in 2003, after which it rose again to 75.2 million in 2006. Since then, the annual growth rate has declined. In 2009, the human population increased by 74.6 million, which is projected to fall steadily to about 41 million per annum in 2050, at which time the population will have increased to about 9.2 billion. Each region of the globe has seen great reductions in growth rate in recent decades, though growth rates remain above 2% in some countries of the Middle East and Sub-Saharan Africa, and also in South Asia, Southeast Asia, and Latin America. Some countries experience negative population growth, especially in Eastern Europe, mainly due to low fertility rates, high death rates, and emigration, as well as abortion. In Southern Africa, growth is slowing due to the higher number of HIV-related deaths. Some Western European countries might also encounter negative population growth. Japan's population began decreasing in 2005. The source of this information was from Wikipedia.